Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password. So let's go to Facebook first. Click on three dash icon, which is top right corner with your profile picture. Scroll down and you will find settings and privacy, which is at the bottom one. Now click on very first option, settings. Now you can see here Meta Account Center. Click on this box. Scroll a bit and you will find password and security. Just click on this. Then you can see here change password. Go to change password. Select your Facebook profile. Now you have to put here your current password and you have to put here new password and retype the password again. So I'm putting my current password here. Hold a second. So guys, see, I have put here my current password and write here my new password and retype the password. After you putting all of these details, click on change password. See, your password is changed, but here's the final warning. If you want to stay logged in, then click on stay logged in. But if you want to stay logged out from other device, just choose everything or one you want to log out and click on log out. But I'm here clicking on stay logged in because I don't have any problem. So guys, your password has changed successfully. This is how you can change Facebook password. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.